Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to transfer USDT from your Binance Exchange to your Binance Web3 wallet. Now let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to open your Binance wallet. When you open your Binance app, go to Assets. This is my asset. Then you look up, you will see Exchange and Wallets. Remember, you are sending from your exchange to your wallet. So the next thing you need to do is to click on this wallet part. Then once it opens, make sure you're on assets. Click on asset again. Then click receive. Once you click receive, you can see transfer from Binance Exchange. Withdraw assets from your Binance spot and funding account. You can actually touch it immediately. Once it opens, you can see our USDT. These are the tokens I have on my Binance wallet. So you can see all of them here. So you click on USDT, then select network. Please take note of the network you are transferring from. So, but I'll be using, you can transfer USDT eh, from any of the network aside this one that is suspended. So I'll just proceed to use BEP20. This is the one I want to deposit with. So I will just the one I want to receive with. So I'll click on continue. Then my wallet has automatically appeared. You can see then network BEP20. Then I'll just click on maximum. Then I'll click on transfer. Then I'll confirm. Then security verification. These are the requirements. So let me proceed to input all these, then we continue. So I'm done inputting my codes from the Google Authenticator and my email. Let me proceed with the facial verification. So I'm done with the verification, withdrawal processing. I'm actually doing this facial verification because my ID just expired. My ID expired, so I recently uploaded my details. So the next time I'm going to do any transaction here, I will not be doing any facial verification. So just take note. So I'll go to Web3. Then I'll go back to assets. Then you can see I have received my USDT. You get? There's another way to transfer USDT from your exchange to your Web3 wallet. But that one is through manual method. But let me teach you that just in case. If you want to send assets from your Binance exchange that is here, if you want to send tokens from your Binance exchange to your Binance wallet, another method to use is to go back to that wallet part. When you go back to wallet, then make sure you're on assets. Once this thing opens, go to assets. Then once you're on assets, you will click on receive. Once you click on receive, you see receive token via address. You get? So you just proceed to copy the particular address you want. So um since it's USDT you are sending here, you can click on USDT. Then it will ask you to choose the particular network you are sending from. So I will proceed to tap BNB Smart Chain. Then I will copy my wallet. Once I copy my wallet, I will go back to my exchange, to the exchange. Then once you go back to the exchange, you go to assets, then search for, because I've moved it out, you won't be able to see it. But let's assume this is okay, let's assume this is USDT. You just touch it. Because I don't have USDT here, let's just touch this Ethereum. Then we'll just click on send. Then you click on this on chain. Then you click on paste. You select network, Web20. Always take note of the network. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on maximum. Once you click on maximum, or it depends on the amount of USDT you are sending, then you click on withdraw. Then it will automatically withdraw that to your wallet. So important tips to take note of. Make sure your network must match. If your Web3 wallet shows BEP20, then withdraw using BEP20. Then don't send to a wrong network. Always make sure of the wallet you are sending to. So that is it. If this guide actually helped you, give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe.